Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can clear your search history on the Snapchat, because sometimes we search a lot of things on Snapchat, and if we want to delete it one by one, then it will be very time consuming. So I will show you how you can clear your all search history by just one clicks. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Snapchat. Then you will see profile icon at top left corner. Click on it, and then you will see setting options at top right corner. Click on it. Then scroll down the page, and then you will see clear search history. Click on it, and then this will clear your search history very easily. So click on clear. So in this way your all search history will be cleared on the Snapchat. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.